Warm weather calls for meals that are cool and light, but still tasty and satisfying. So today I'm making flavor-packed chicken salad sliders that are perfect for lunches, picnics, bridal or baby showers, or just a light snack on a warm afternoon. They're simple, savory, a little sweet, and fun. And I bet you can't eat just one. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Here we cover recipes that anyone can do, along with cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home, because that's where family is built. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my flavor-packed chicken salad sliders, the ingredients I'm using are 2 cups of shredded chicken breast, 1½ cups of light mayonnaise, 1 cup of sliced green onions, 1 cup of dried cranberries, 1 teaspoon of accent flavor enhancer, salt to taste, I'm using a half a teaspoon in my chicken salad, Hawaiian rolls, and spinach leaves that are optional. The first step is to cook the chicken. Rinse the chicken thoroughly under cool water and remove any fat that can be pulled off with your hands. I like to cook my chicken in a slow cooker. It's easy and comes out incredibly tender. Just add the chicken to the cooker without spice or liquid and cover and cook on low for 7 to 8 hours. Or you can boil the chicken on the stovetop. Put rinsed chicken in a large saucepan. Cover with cold water to about an inch above the chicken and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. Once it's reached a boil, remove the lid and immediately reduce heat to medium-low. Cook uncovered for an hour until juices run clear or internal temp reaches 170 degrees. When handling raw chicken, it's important to always remember to wash your hands and all utensils that came in contact with the chicken with antibacterial soap and hot water. The next step is to shred the chicken. A lot of people use forks, but I think that takes too long and it's tricky. Forget that. I use my hands. It's fast and it makes it easy to feel and remove any pieces of gristle, excess fat, or stuff that just doesn't look good. Now let's chop the onions. Rinse the onions from end to end under cool water and strip off the outer layer from the bulb. Next, bunch the onions together and cut off the dark, dry ends of the stalks and cut off the roots. Then slice the bunch from one end to the other in about 1/4-inch slices. Okay, now let's put the salad together. In a large bowl, mix together chicken and mayo. At this point, it looks pretty wet and goopy, but it's gonna be fine. Add onions, cranberries, accent, and salt to taste and mix together thoroughly. For best results, cover and chill for at least 1 to 2 hours before making your sliders, or even better, overnight. Extra time in the fridge really brings out the flavors. To assemble your sliders, pull the rolls out of the pack in the tray and fold down the 4 sides. Using a large bread knife, carefully slice through the whole pack of rolls at once. Tear off each roll and fill with 2 to 3 tablespoons of salad. If desired, add a spinach leaf and be sure to snip off that stem. Then hold it all together with a decorative cocktail pick. I got these at my local Stater Brothers market. For added fun factor, stack them all up and build your own slider mountain. These sliders pack a lot of flavor in a very small package that's easy to handle and very easy to eat. Trust me, you're going to want to make more of these than you think you need because they go down easy and they're just plain fun. And that's how it works. Family is built at the dinner table when you bring together good food and good fun. And if you feed them, they will come.